What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will be doing my favorite modification so far on the car. When I was in the dealership last time, I saw 3 GT3 RSs which were in green, Arctic grey and white, but the white one standed out for me the best because I saw a very cool thing on the mirror. The upper part was in carbon and the lower part was painted in the body color, and today we will be doing just that. I will paint the lower part of the mirror in white, the body color, and the upper part, because I don't have $1,000 to spend on the carbon caps, I will be painting them in gloss black. So join me today. I will be dismantling everything on the car. I will get the mirror in pieces. At the end I will be showing you the color of the key because I want to paint the key as well. These side parts right here, I will be painting them in a very special color. Everything starts with the actual mirror because it's very fragile, and if I break it, it's just $269 for the part if it's dimmed and heated like mine. After that, the upper part is screwed with 2 tiny T15 screws and comes up once you free it from the clips. So I move on to disassemble the lower part, and for that I need to take the door card out to access the one bolt that keeps the mirror in place. After that, with my screwdriver I gently push out, and the easiest way to free up everything is by taking apart the electrical wiring from the outside, because you are not able to take it from the inside, or it is more difficult than I thought initially. This has to remain black, so only the plastic part gets painted. I want to get this as professional as possible, so this is why I'm mentioning you that. And the lower part has this light which comes off very easily. And we are now ready to get these things painted. This is how the car looks so far. The door cards are now out. You can see that what is white will become black, and what is now black will become white. You can see the details, that this is the lower part of the mirror, and this is what looks underneath. The light is out. You can see the light right there, and of course these little connections to the actual door is also taken apart. After the painting process is finished, I will be fitting everything as it was originally, and the last part of course is the key, which I will be painting it in cherry red. To get the plastic parts out from the key, you just have to remove the actual key, and with a very small screwdriver get this out, and this comes off. Oh my gosh, look at my key. The plastics went through a layer of plastic primer and then the layer of filler. Why I used filler? Because I wanted the OEM look with no ugly plastic texture. I wanted the shine and the silky smooth look of the paint. The process of assembly is reverse of disassembly, and here is the final look of the car. I don't have words to describe how good it looks and how well this fits the car. It matches perfectly with the window trim and the Michelin wheels. It has a crazy level of gloss, and it has that OEM finish, which means that everything was done by the book, not DIY, not fast. It took 4 days to prep, paint and assemble the mirrors. You saw the process, which is far easier than I thought. For the key, I developed a color in my laboratory which is made from red, purple, white and black to complement the border red interior. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you at the next one. Ciao!